Some things are inevitable. One day, you will compose a snarky email response and accidentally hit reply all. Know what's avoidable? Being surprised by the high cost to repair your essential home appliances. That's why you need a direct energy protection plan. Direct Energy offers plans to protect the hardworking appliances in your kitchen and laundry room, like your washer, dryer, refrigerator, dishwasher, oven, microwave, and more. And when they decide to take a break, our network of local experts are here to help. No need to search for a technician or price compare. We'll take care of that. We accept calls 7 days a week. There's no service visit charge or limit to the number of visits per year. And you'll get up to $2,000 in coverage annually. That's a chunk of money to save. If worse comes to worse, though, and your appliance is beyond repair, you'll get a $500 credit toward a new one. That will help keep your household from coming to a halt. No matter which plan you choose, enjoy peace of mind protection for an affordable, fixed monthly rate. Hey, the inevitable will happen. You will find your credit card an hour after you cancel it, and your most expensive chair will become a chew toy. But you can avoid costly hassles with your home's major appliances when you sign up for a direct energy protection plan today.